guys, what's going on? Alex Foreshew here with Foreshew Design Associates. We're here at 243 Oakwood Crescent in Oakville, Ontario. This is one of the very first projects that FDA has taken on in Oakville. Not the last though. This property, it's going to be coming down in a few months' time. We're just submitting for the building permits today, actually. The client bought 80 by 150. So 80 feet wide, 150 feet deep. 80 foot wide is a great lot for this neighborhood. Gives us complete design flexibility. One of the biggest things that I focused on, and when I drove through the Oakville neighborhood, most garages and overhead doors were front facing, and I did not like the look of that. So this lot actually gave us complete design freedom to side load the garage. We're still keeping the driveway in its current position, but we've actually turned the entire garage sideways so that ownership would drive past. You would not see the garage door from the street, and you would turn left into the garage door. May be wondering if the house is going to be on the left-hand side and the driveway is going to be here and we're not going to be seeing the garage door like you see today. Well, how are we going to design the space and fill in that void? But what we really wanted to do, even though that the garage is side-loaded, it's going to be all nice cobblestone driveway, very pristine, very natural, and we're going to have hedge work and iron rod fences at the back to bookend the property and make it look like it's well designed and thought out, but still back to nature and building down that facade. So on this project in Oakville, we're partnering with Hummingbird Homes for the general contractor. They're local to Oakville. They actually introduced us to the client, which we're super appreciative of. And if you haven't already, if you're local to the neighborhood or just want to see amazing home construction, go to their website, go to their Instagram, Hummingbird Homes. They're absolutely amazing. So guys, the house that we designed here, it's going to be 3 levels, basement, main, partial upper. We're also going to have a 2-bay attached garage, a covered space, screened in room, and at the back of the property, there's going to be where a client can have soft seating, dining, outdoor fireplace. We're going to have a lap pool as well, so green porch can look at the lap pool, and bookending the pool on the other side, we're going to have an outdoor kitchen, pizza oven, barbecue, little bar, so it's going to be this really intimate backyard space environment. One of the biggest challenges we had with designing in the city rather than designing in Muskoka is that we are pinned in by the parameters of the property lines itself. We don't have complete design freedom where we're reorienting the house to catch the most sun exposure as possible. So in this case, west is basically straight through the house over the roof here, and north is completely behind me. We'll come over here to the screen-in porch that will be open on both sides. The house will be 2 stories high, but what I did to maximize the sun exposure on the pool and in the backyard is making the screen-in porch a single story and a flat roof so that we're maximizing that sun exposure that we talked about and minimizing the shadow play on the pool from the house. So another interesting dynamic of this backyard design is that it needed to be a small oasis for my client's extended family as well. So at the back of this property, you'll see this white house that is also built by Hummingbird Homes. And what we had to do is create an access path to and from both of these homes so that if my client wanted to enjoy their grandkids or have the whole family over, they don't have to walk around on the busy street. They can walk right through the backyards and enjoy this backyard oasis. Guys, thanks for following along on this first video of 243 Oakwood Crescent. Be sure to subscribe and follow along for the rest of our site visits as we continue to demolish the house, construct the house, go through the design process, and show you how FDA process works.